How to invite friends on Threads. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can invite friends on Threads. For this, you want to download and install the Threads app on your device. Once it has been installed, you simply want to open this application. Make sure that you have signed into your account. If you have not done that already, go ahead and sign in using your Instagram account. Once you have been signed in and you want to invite your friends on Thread, follow these simple steps. First off, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's going to open your profile in this way. Now, you want to tap on the lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, on the settings, you have different options. Tap on the first one, which is follow and invite friends. Now you have the option of follow. Tap on the Instagram friends option, and here all the list of your Instagram friends will appear. You can simply tap on the follow all option and then tap on the confirm option. So in this way you can follow your Instagram friends. Now if you want to send invites, what you want to do is tap on any of these available options. So if you want to invite your friends via Instagram, tap on Instagram. Otherwise, you also have other options such as Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, email, or you can also share your profile by tapping on the share my profile option. Let's say that you want to invite friends via Messenger. Simply tap on this Messenger option. Now the Messenger application will open and you simply want to tap on the send option for any of these people that you want to invite. In the same way, if you want to send invite via SMS or email, you can tap on those options as well. And in this way, you can invite friends on Threads. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.